PWA Studio Mobile App Development Platform Review, Usage Experience. In this video, we'll dive into the PWA Studio Mobile App Development Platform and provide an in-depth review of its features and overall usage experience. Links to the products we discuss are included in the description below for easy access. PWA Studio is designed for developers looking to build progressive web apps, PWAs, with ease. It's a robust platform that combines modern web technologies with the performance and features of native mobile applications. This makes it a great choice for businesses or individuals looking to create fast, reliable, and engaging mobile experiences without the need for building separate native apps for iOS and Android. One of the standout features of PWA Studio is its seamless integration with Magento, making it ideal for e-commerce businesses that need a scalable, high-performance mobile solution. Its out-of-the-box capabilities include responsive design, offline functionality, push notifications, and easy updates, all the essential features that users expect from modern mobile apps. The framework also leverages cutting-edge tools like React and GraphQL, ensuring fast performance and a smooth user experience. Another key benefit is the developer-friendly environment. PWA Studio provides a rich set of tools, documentation, and pre-built components, which reduces development time significantly. This makes it ideal not only for experienced developers, but also for teams with limited mobile development expertise. Furthermore, its flexibility allows for customization, so businesses can tailor their apps to meet specific needs without starting from scratch. For businesses that want to expand their mobile presence quickly while keeping costs down, PWA Studio offers a compelling solution. It eliminates the need for separate mobile and web app development, making it a cost-effective choice in the long run. Additionally, PWAs built with PWA Studio are easy to maintain and update, which is crucial in today's fast-moving digital landscape. In conclusion, PWA Studio offers a powerful and efficient platform for mobile app development. Whether you're an e-commerce business or a developer looking for a versatile tool, it delivers everything you need to create modern, high-performance PWAs. Don't forget to check out the links in the description for more details.